You a rapper, right? You got Instagram, and you tryna go up, and you wondering why Instagram? I said Instagram. Instagram keep banning you, keep taking down your posts. Why you feel like you shadow banned? You not getting as much likes as you usually do? Is a reason. So I know, as a rapper, you wanna post everything on your story to show your fans the flex.
Bro, y'all is bums. Y'all ain't getting no bread.
You know, just to show off who you is as a person. You might smoke, you might show off blicks, you might, you know, post funny memes and joke. But you see, Instagram don't play that. Zuck gonna give you a nice little spanking on the behind if you see anything on your freaking story. Trust me, I know. I have had it firsthand. I have not been able to go live for months. Fuck that nigga Zuckerberg. But I digress. But if you're an artist, you have to be very careful because your social media is your money. So Clout will give you some tips on how to avoid getting the spankings from Zuckerberg and how to run your Instagram the correct way. Manager style. You never realize after you get hit with a quick little you're banned from going live, your story views go down, your likes start going down. That means Zuckerberg is giving your IG account back shots right now, hair pulling and all, and say you not getting as many views, likes, nothing. During this time period or a couple weeks, couple months, I ain't gonna lie, I would stay from posting anything, bro. During this time period, stuff is gonna be looking low, stuff is not gonna be working, things are not gonna be looking right, because they shadow ban you, because you was either posting you smoking, posting you cursing, or it was derogatory, or posting you, I don't know, doing something. If you're gonna post something, if you're trying to flex, you're trying to show off, you gotta put a filter, even though sometimes that don't work. Why do you think all these rappers be using these black and white filters or these certain type filters over there when they be doing stuff? Because they don't want to get banned most of the time. Sometimes it's for aesthetic, but most of the time they're not trying to get banned. And I peep that. If you're gonna show some gas or show some shit, show some ass, blicks or something on your story, you gotta put something over it so it don't look real. Like put video game, this is not real, this is a prop, all that. Another thing, Zuckerberg don't play about the cursing. You gotta bleep out the N-word, ER and GA. You gotta bleep out almost everything, cause Zuckerberg don't play. This is his playground. He's spanking all the kids that move out of line. He don't play that. This nigga Epstein with the Instagram accounts. And another thing, you don't even have to post on your own story to get banned or get shadow banned. I know y'all be going in rappers' lives, y'all be chilling, y'all be having fun, or you might want to talk some smack, talk some shit to one of the rappers. Hey nigga, fuck you, nigga. You know, trying to talk your shit. You can't be doing all that. I know y'all gotten that warning. Do you really want to say this? It's bad. Don't say this. I know y'all gotten that warning before. That warning, if you still send it or send some, they will same thing. You will get banned off going live, even if you didn't even post it on your own story. They will still ban you from going live and give you a warning. Comments, well, but y'all should know that. But live, yes, they will take you. They will just for talking, for just putting words on the screen, take your whole shit, shadow ban you. They don't care. Oh, they wanted to be all happy, hee. No one gets bullied on Instagram type ordeal, which I understand. But sometimes a nigga be feeling toxic. Sometimes a nigga just wanna say some shit. Zuckerberg, I don't mean you gotta ban me for the whole month. Can't talk to my peoples for a whole month. And I know there's so many other rappers that have to go through this for not even doing nothing. Be banned for 2, 3, 4 months. Like it, to be honest, it really does depends on how long they really ban you for. And they will constantly ban you. I'm pretty sure I got banned off live twice, or got two warnings twice back to back for stuff I posted on my story. But look, if you're in this predicament, another tip, if you don't know this already, then I don't know what you're doing, but have a link tree or have some like a link that people can click on to find all your ads. Like that should be like step number 1 as an artist. People are simple. If it takes too many steps to click and find your song, if it takes more than 3 steps or 4 steps, they're not gonna do it, bro. Another thing that really messes with your engagement is when you repost yours or another person's post on your story. That will also it won't shadow ban you, but it will lower the amount of people who see your story. So I would recommend, if you're going to repost something or repost your own post everything you need to post and have that last. So that's gonna like basically mess up the engagement for that story. I think it's that story specifically and everything after it. Now, if you mess with the video, let me know down in the comments. And if these tips helped you, you should click these next videos that's about to pop up on your screen right now.
You broke, you gon' shop on the bargain. Nigga, you broke, you won't care about bank. Pop out under your bed, I'm the real same man. Getting me, she know I'm a vampire. Smoking all gas, stay stronger than Popeye. SIT fast, you won't see when I drop by. I walk up on skis, I don't like do no drop-bys. Smoke in the back of my Birkin.